Oh, that's it.
Alfie? You giving Mama kisses? Oh, what was that? You did giving Mama. Yes, you're wee Romeo, aren't you? Are you a good boy? Give Mama a kissy. No? No? Come on over here. Come on over, give Mama a kiss.
Who's on my back? Oh, they're down.
Hello, Zachy. You want to give a Mama a kiss? Oh, you're too far up. Awesome, man. Good boy. Another one. 1, 2.
Wow.
1, 2. Keep mine. He's the bestest fish. I'm not gonna eat mine. Where's Carney? And where's Gus?
How could you not like that?
He's
Hmm?
he's amazing. Look, get her.
Hello. Hello, you.
She's lost up in that tank. Right.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, there's Gus. Oh.
Oh, I missed him. Oh, I don't know who to go for now because they're all coming.
What's them boys doing? What's all them Bobby boys doing? Look at Zachy. Look at Zachy. All right, we'll give you a wee bit. Even though you're not supposed to get any right now. Supposed to wait till the night. We just hate Grady Rats here. Come on, Alfie, you need to be quicker.